Welcome to MindyGem. Let's start by creating an organization and then dive into a new project. Give your project a name and define type and domain. Let's start by creating your first brief document. Give it a name and define a project description. Just in seconds, get the generated brief document. Add a comment to each block to keep your team updated and collaborate effectively. Check the context inside of each block and easily edit it with editor tools. Now, as soon as you're done, you can delete or copy the text and drag and drop the items. Create a new element for your specific needs and update it with additional information. Leave notes. Update the status and add labels for priority, planning, or any other marks. Export to PDF and easily share with your customers. Now let's create a project proposal. Name it and add a project description, the same as for the brief. Enjoy the generated document and check the elements inside of it. Begin with creating an epic. Add the function name and its context, and MindyGem will present you with generated user stories. As soon as it's done, let's deep dive into them and change the name if it's needed, delete it, copy the link, and improve with AI possibilities until it's done. Now you can add the attachments, link dependencies, and generate the acceptance criteria. Carefully review it according to your specific needs, and as soon as it's done, you can further improve it with AI or delete unnecessary ones. Leave a comment for your team and continue creating user stories as soon as you have the epic link. Now you can just put the title and generate the user story by a few clicks. Next, delve into UI specifications. Upload a design screen, name it, and fill in all the necessary fields here. The next step will be to check all the detected elements on the screen. So delete unnecessary ones, check the type of all the elements, and continue until you finalize all the elements that you would like to describe. As soon as you are done, you can see the magic. The requirements are generated to every element you identified. So you can go deeper and add the requirements just by the keyword. Type a keyword for your specific use case, choose the correct requirement, and further play with it to update it. So you can re-improve it with AI, delete it, or change it by your own. Update the document, and finally, share your detailed requirements with your team. Simply add their email, select the access type, and collaborate seamlessly. MindyGem is here to revolutionize your project management experience, make it more efficient and collaborative.